Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone Nightstand mode. Nightstand mode turns your iPhone into an immersive alarm clock-like display with a glowing screen in the dark, making it easy to check the time at a glance. And here are the steps to use called standby mode on newer iOS. First is to unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Standby, then toggle Standby to on. Optional, turn on Always on display if your phone supports it. Now, plug your iPhone into a charger, wired or MagSafe. Place your iPhone in a horizontal landscape position. Lock the screen by pressing the side button. And now, wait a second, then standby mode will appear automatically. Then hit continue. Swipe left or right to switch between clock styles, photos, widgets, etc. Swipe up or down to change layouts within a view. Long press on widgets or the clock to customize them. Tap the screen to view notifications, time, or Siri results. To exit nightstand or standby mode, just pick up the iPhone or unlock it. Extra tips work best at night when charging on the bedside, supports widgets, clocks, live activities, and photos. Requires iOS 17 or later. If it doesn't appear, check that low power mode is off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.